currently here in Baguio City together with my family to celebrate my 31st birthday. So come with me as we enjoy our 3 days adventure here in Baguio City.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out, the reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree.
Dito na tayo sa night market. Super daming tao. As always, because this is peak season today. It's December. So expected na flock talaga siya ng mga turista like us. Dito nga pa sabi ni Benguet.
Ingatan po ang inyong mga cellphone.
Jingle bells ring in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out, the reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. Climb down the chimney at the speed.
100.
Hello, it's our day 3 here in Baguio City. And this is the last day of the year. Actually, goal na lang namin ngayon is medyo chill travel na lang since we've been to Baguio for several times na. Anyways, our itinerary is we'll go to Mines View first, the mansion, and then after that, tonight we will go to the Christmas Village until the New Year countdown in Burnham Park. So, if we still have time, let's see if makakapunta pa tayo sa ibang spots dito sa Baguio City. But right now, yun muna yung mga primary destinations namin. Nagblaka. environmental film.
Pili kayo, may mais tayo, may pusit. Yo, may nito na mais.
Hindi na po dote Oo, so. Kutsilyo man. May malaki po. Lemon scented, pero... Ito humigit sa ano. Hindi naman yung sobra-sobra. Hindi naman. Kasi bawal ko silang balong. Melvin Jones Park. Super dami ng tao right now. And we only have 1 hour para 2025 na. Happy New Year, everyone!
as I walk on by your house today. I might knock on your door and ask you out. And the way I see your smile, there's a warm and welcome feeling for a while. In the beginning of our life, holding out my hand just to take a stand.
Happy New Year, everyone! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Burnham Park, particularly dito sa may boat section nila. So we just paid 250 pesos sa isang boat for 30 minutes yung renta dito. If you want na may kukuha pa para hindi kayo mapagod, meron naman available. You will just pay a minimum fee para doon. And then, maganda yung season right now. So we will serve you. Medyo sunset na siya.